Well, hey there, YouTube. What's going on? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to check out another cell phone holder for your car. Could be better, could be worse. I don't know. Let's dive in and check it out. Alright. I know we've checked out a few phone mount holders for your car, but I got one more for you. This one here is from Desert West. So let's open it up, unbox it, take a detailed look at it. I'll put the link to this exact one in the description below so you can find it on Amazon. Nice packaging though. Very nice, individually wrapped. The mount itself, or the holder itself. So we got suction cup, an extension mount. We got a mount here for your vents in your vehicle, whichever you're driving. Multiple options here to mount this bad boy. This one here looks like it's been reinforced. Loosen it up, open it up. It's got little teeth here so it'll grab onto the vent pretty good. Those nubbins. But I like that thread down action. You can see it gets closer and closer. That ain't gonna go nowhere. You can really grip something with that one. Let's see what else we get. Got the suction cup mount here for your dash pad. It's got 3M sticky tape here, adhesive, very sticky. Nice and shiny, so that'll suction right to that bad boy. Once again, from Desert West. It's got a 3-year warranty on it, hassle-free warranty, so that'll be easy. Then you got a user manual here. Not that you need it. Just in case you do, there it is. So right here we got the suction mount. A little bit of adhesion on there. Very sticky. That's going to stick pretty good. Go ahead and put it on your windshield, your dash, or your desk. Press the lock button down. That ain't going nowhere. Easy turn lock here, just unthread. Tip it at any angle you need it. Same on the top, extends outward. Give you more reach. Alright, so this bad boy right here, it's got a single quick release button right here on the back. Just reach over your phone, press it. That's a lot quieter than the last one. Very smooth action here too. This looks like leather, but it's not. It's actually a silicone. It's really soft. A nice texture to it so that your phone don't slip or get damaged if you're not using a case either. Same with the sides here. Real premium silicone, nice and squishy. Of course the bottom extends for different height phones and the usual space for the USB charger. It fits pretty much any phone. Case, without case, doesn't matter model. Of course you got the 360-degree rotation with the ball for the suction cup mount and the vent clip. Alright, I got the suction cup mount here and the phone holder itself. Supposed to take this all the way off probably, but I like to just spin it loose. Just push the ball right back in there. Locks right in. Just tighten this down here. Flip the lock lever up. Place it wherever you want it. Put mine right here for right now. Use it on my desk probably for a while. Lock it down. That bad boy is tough. 55 pounds, what it'll hold. Pull my desk over. I don't want to do that. Gonna lock it in place. Probably extend it outward. Like that. Got my S22 Ultra here. Pretty good sized phone. It's got a case on it also. Make sure it's released all the way. Place my phone in. Squeeze. It's nice and firm. It's not going to go anywhere. Makes it easily accessible. I'm playing my computer or doing anything on it. Turn it any direction I want. Pretty sweet. We'll take this out to the car and test out this vent clip here. See how well this holds up. Alright, we're out here in my kind of dirty car. We got the clip mount here for the vent. Go ahead and loosen it up a little bit. Go ahead and stick it on. Tighten this down. It grabs those teeth from the back side and grabs on the vents. Pulls tight against the vents and part of your dash so that your phone just doesn't flop forward and you can actually see it. Just gonna loosen the back of this again like a savage. Snap it on. Tighten it down. Nice and tight like that. Open it up. Place your phone in and easy as that. Rotate it any direction I need to if I'm using it for navigation. If I just want hands-free calling. It's easy to reach from my seat. That is a really nice clip. So we'll see how that lasts. I like it. And you just got the quick release on the back when you need your phone. Out it comes, one-handed. Make sure you check this out in the description below.